High protein dinner matters not just for weight loss, but for your metabolism, recovery, and even for late night cravings. But honestly, dinner is where everything gets confusing, right? Some say skip dinner, some say no carbs. After a long day, you just don't know what to cook. And honestly, this is where I usually end up ordering out. But not today. Today I'm sharing 5 easy and high protein Indian dinners, filling, delicious, and perfect for weight loss without giving up your favorite foods. Let's start with our favorite Paneer Tikka Wrap. It's not like the normal or regular one. It is high in protein, rich in fiber, but has all the flavor and deliciousness like the regular one. I just break this into 3 quick steps. First step, marinate the paneer with yogurt and spices. Then lightly saute them. Next, chop and saute the veggies lightly. Along with that, prepare the green chutney. These 2 steps you can make ahead and store it in the refrigerator. Then make the wrap fresh at the dinner time. So most of the work is already done and dinner comes together in just 5 minutes. We are using half cup of quick rolled oats, 1/4 cup of besan, salt to taste and water according to the desired consistency. Just blend it into a thin batter, just like this, and cook it like a dosa or chilla. About 1 to 2 minutes on one side, flip and another minute till lightly golden. Then the best part, assembling, and I like to fold it like a taco. Spread the chutney first, add lots of crunchy veggies, juicy paneer tikka and some fresh cilantro on the top. Serve this with spicy and tangy green chutney. And this whole wrap is just around 380 calories, almost 30 grams of protein, high fiber and low carb. So it keeps you full for hours, supports weight loss and stops those late night cravings. It's warm, juicy, a little spicy, super fresh, and so filling that you forget this is actually a weight loss dinner. Next is a 1-pan chicken stir fry. High protein, low carb, delicious and so easy to make. The secret to making any weight loss meal filling is not less food, it's more veggies. They are low in calories, high in fiber and keep you full for hours. We will start with sauteing our onions just in 2 teaspoons of oil. Then toss in all our veggies, beans, carrots, bell peppers, honestly whatever you have at home. More natural colors equal to more nutrients, so don't be shy here. Then garlic powder if you feel lazy like me, or go for grated garlic, red chili flakes, Italian seasoning if you have in your hands, or any seasoning works fine, salt to taste. Give everything a good mix before adding the chicken. Now I am adding 250 grams of chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast too, but chicken thighs stay extra juicy. Mix everything and let it cook on medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes till the chicken is perfectly done. Finish with spring onions and fresh lime juice. This wakes up all the flavors. Look at this. Juicy chicken, crunchy veggies, all those spices. It smells so good. My mouth is literally watering now. This is the kind of healthy food that doesn't feel healthy. It just tastes amazing. Serve it hot just like this. No roti, no rice needed. It's already super filling. High protein helps protect your muscles, veggies keep you full, and having fewer carbs at night supports fat loss and promotes better sleep. Perfect dinner for a busy day. If you are a vegetarian, don't worry, just replace the chicken with tofu, soya chunks or paneer. You will get the same satisfaction. Up next, masala soya chunk with a low carb Ragi Chilla. By the way, I can't make Ragi roti. If you can, go for it. Let's make the curry first. Start by soaking your soya chunks in hot water for 30 minutes. This makes them soft and ready to soak up all the flavors. Now heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds for that wonderful aroma and saute onions until translucent. No need to brown them. We want a light, fresh base. Now add some colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots and green beans. Not only do they make the curry vibrant, but they also add fiber, vitamins and crunch. Perfect for a filling healthy meal. Now toss in ginger garlic, green chili paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Next, pour in some homemade tomato puree and let it cook for a few minutes. Time to spice it up. Add turmeric, chili powder, cumin, coriander, garam masala powder and salt to taste. Cook until the masala is rich and aromatic. Drain the soya chunks and add them to the pan, mixing well so every piece soaks up the masala. Pour in a little hot water. This helps the curry come together and lets the flavors soak in. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes until soft, saucy and protein-packed. Now let's make the Ragi Chilla. In this meal, we are replacing normal roti with this sprouted ragi flour chilla. In a bowl, add half cup of ragi flour, quarter cup of besan and salt to taste. Mix the dry ingredients first, then slowly add the hot water to make a smooth, lump-free batter. Ragi or finger millet is amazing for us. It's rich in calcium, iron and fiber, which supports bone health, women's hormonal health and keeps you fuller for longer. Paired with besan or chickpeas flour for extra protein, this makes the perfect high-protein weight loss friendly Indian breakfast or dinner. I am not going to add anything else here, keeping it simple. But if you want, feel free to add chopped onions, cilantro, cumin or anything that you like. Alright, it's ready. Let's make chilla. Now ragi or finger millet is one of my personal favorite grain. I have noticed it really helps reduce my period cramps. It's rich in calcium and magnesium which relax muscles naturally, and iron keeps my energy up. If you struggle with your periods cramps too, you should definitely try this. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until the edges crisp up. That's it, golden, crispy and ready. Serve it hot with a fresh crunchy salad and this flavorful masala soya curry. This meal is honestly so satisfying. It feels just like eating your regular roti sabji, but it's actually higher in protein, higher in fiber and much more filling. Healthy, comforting and totally everyday Indian food. Definitely give this a try. I know most of you are familiar with palak paneer or palak chicken, but have you ever tried palak egg curry? No? Today we are gonna make it. I'm starting with fresh spinach. Don't chop it too fine, just rough is fine. Spinach is amazing for fat loss. It's low calorie, high fiber, packed with iron and keeps you full for longer. So you get volume without extra calories. I already boiled the eggs and kept them ready. This makes dinner super quick. Now let's make a simple Indian style gravy. Saute onion with ginger garlic paste, then tomatoes, and then goes the normal spices, haldi, chili powder, cumin, coriander and salt. Now in goes our spinach puree. Mix and let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes so the raw taste disappears and it becomes rich and creamy. Add the boiled eggs, whole or halved, your choice. Cover and cook just 2 to 3 minutes so the egg soaks up all that masala flavor. And that's it. This beautiful, creamy, mouth-watering palak egg curry is ready. I will serve this with brown rice and fresh salad. Protein, greens, complex carb and flavor. It's warm, spicy, comforting, like proper home food, but secretly very healthy. If you love palak paneer or palak chicken, you have to try this version. Same deliciousness, way lighter. With half a cup of brown rice and salad, this whole plate comes to around 450 calories and 30 grams of protein. Finally, my high protein chicken soup. comforting and easy for winter dinners. Start with 2 teaspoons of oil, then whole spices, bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and whole peppers. This makes the soup smell amazing and also adds anti-inflammatory benefits. When they are fragrant, add grated garlic. Saute till the raw smell disappears. Then chopped onions, celery and lots of other veggies. Frozen or fresh, whatever you have. More vegetables means more fiber, more volume and fewer calories. So we feel full for longer. Here goes chopped tomatoes. Next, adding the chicken. Whether you are focused on weight loss or just want a healthy home cooked meal, this easy chicken soup recipe is the perfect way to hit your protein goals. Add hot water, season with salt, cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, check the chicken. If they are ready, take them out from the soup. This is the fun part. Shred the chicken and then put it back in. Now every spoonful has protein. To thicken slightly, add a quick cornflour slurry. Totally optional, but it gives that cozy restaurant style texture. Look at this. Warm, hearty, loaded with veggies and juicy chicken. Trust me, once you make this at home, you will never order soup outside again. One big bowl gives you around 30 grams of protein for just about 300 calories. Super filling, super light and perfect for weight loss dinners. This is the kind of dinner that feels like a warm hug after a long day. So today we have made 5 easy high protein Indian dinners. All quick, filling and perfect for weight loss. Save this video and try at least one dinner this week. You will see how easy high protein weight loss dinner actually can be. If you like this video and want more healthy and delicious videos like this along with wellness tips, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I have got you covered. And share this with someone who is struggling to lose weight. Together we can build a healthy community. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday with a new one. Bye bye.